Hello and welcome to the My Day 26 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm here, and today we're going to talk about some simple, practical, nourishing foods that will help you reset your relationship with food and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Let's get started with breakfast. 1 whole grain bread sandwich thin. Look for a bread that has at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. 2 slices of whole grain bread provide about 5 grams of filling fiber, so you can go ahead and have 2 slices. Use 1 tablespoons of all-natural nut butter. It could be peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, or sunflower seed butter. And you also want to include 1 to 2 cups of sliced strawberries in this sandwich. You can use any of the berries. It really doesn't matter. All berries are fine. For lunch, we're going to have 1 cup of tossed salad mix. Again, look for a bag that has at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. And we're going to add any of the non-starchy vegetables that you like. So it could be string beans, broccoli, cabbage, spinach, whatever you like. We're going to toss that in there with 3 hard-boiled egg whites. The easiest thing to do is probably boil 6 egg whites for about 3 minutes. Just barely cook them and then peel them and quarter them and put them on top of the salad. And you'll get about 3 ounces of protein out of those 3 egg whites. Dress it with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and olive oil, and that will be your lunch. For a snack, we're going to have 8 Triscuits. I like the ancient whole grain Triscuits because they have more fiber than the regular Triscuits. And we're going to add bean dip spread on top of 4 of those crackers and sprinkle chopped parsley on top. I like to carry these little containers of bean dip in my purse. They're individual servings. They come in a multi-pack, so it makes it really easy for a grab and go snack. If you don't like bean dip, you can use hummus, or you can use any of the guacamole varieties. And then for dinner, we're going to have a chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Start out by cooking 1 cup of brown rice according to the package directions. While the rice is cooking, you're going to grill 1 piece of chicken. And by 1 piece of chicken, it could be a chicken breast, it could be 2 chicken breasts. Just use 1 piece of chicken that weighs about 4 ounces. And while the rice is finishing up and the chicken is grilling, you're going to steam 1 cup of broccoli. Once the rice is done, you're going to add the steamed broccoli and the grilled chicken to the rice, and you're going to pour your favorite stir-fry sauce over the top. You can use low-sodium soy sauce. You can use a teriyaki sauce. You can use a sweet and sour sauce. Whatever you like, just pour it on top and give it a good stir. And that will be your dinner. As you can see, this eating plan includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and heart-healthy fats. These foods are essential for providing the body with the energy and nutrients it needs to function optimally. The focus on whole, unprocessed foods can help to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, while the balanced intake of macronutrients can help to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Additionally, this eating plan emphasizes portion control and mindful eating, which can help individuals avoid overeating and develop a healthy relationship with food. Overall, adopting an eating plan that includes these principles can be an effective way to improve health, well-being, and quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I would love to have you here. Thanks for watching.